Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today let's make mango fruity at home. This is a very refreshing drink and a kid's favorite too. By making this at home, we'll be avoiding a lot of preservatives, artificial colors, artificial sweeteners that are not healthy. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. To make mango fruity, I have placed a pan on top of the stove. Keep the flame on medium. Now I am adding 2 cups of ripe mango. I have kept the skin intact. I have not peeled the skin. And half cup of raw mango. Half cup of sugar. You can use brown sugar instead of white sugar too. Now add in 2 cups of water. Give this a mix. Cover with the lid and let it boil on medium flame for 10 minutes. We are simply making the concentrate of the mangoes. All the fruit drinks that we get in the stores are made in the same way. They are made from the concentrate of the fruits. Now after 10 minutes, mangoes are cooked completely. Let's strain them into a large bowl. Let the mangoes cool down completely. It took 10 minutes for the mangoes to cool down. Now I am transferring the mangoes into a blender jar. Make a smooth puree of these mangoes. Now, after making a smooth puree of the mangoes, strain them into the same bowl again. We are extracting as much concentrate as we can from these mangoes. Use the help of a spoon to strain the mango puree. Use a whisk to mix the mango concentrate and the water. Mix until you see a homogeneous mixture. You can see the juice is very thick now. Let's dilute this juice by adding some water. You can add cold water at this stage. Mix everything again. Adjust the consistency of the juice to your taste. I have added 2 cups of water and this is the consistency I have got. Now transfer this into a jug or a bottle and store this in the fridge for up to 20 days. Serve chilled and enjoy. This is not as healthy as the fresh fruit juice, but is definitely much healthier than its store-bought alternative, as we don't add any preservatives or artificial sweeteners or artificial coloring agents into this drink. This drink can be enjoyed for up to 20 days if you keep it in the fridge. I hope you will give this a try. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.